In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track and manage employee attendance in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find time entries, how to filter what you see, and how to review, edit, and verify hours so payroll is accurate. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Time Entries. This brings up the main table where all recorded time appears. If you're searching for a specific person or shift, use the Team Member search to quickly narrow the list. You can also click the column headers to sort entries, which is handy when you want to group by customer, location, or time in and out. At the top right of the table, click the gear icon to show or hide columns. You can display up to 6 columns at a time, so choose what matters most for your workflow. Options include time in, out for precise start and end times, customer and location, to tie work to jobs and sites, kilometers for mileage tracking, attachments for supporting files, billable to mark work as chargeable, class and department for internal coding, service item, and tasks to clarify the work performed, notes for additional context, flags for items needing attention, and wrap text if you prefer to see full notes without truncation. Because there's a 6-column limit, prioritize the fields that help you verify attendance and payroll fastest. As you review entries, check the status column. If you see locked, that means the entry can't be edited by the employee, which helps preserve approved data. If you see edited by manager, it indicates that changes were made by someone with the proper permissions, so you have an audit trail for transparency. On the far right under Actions, you'll see 3 helpful tools. View Time opens the entry details so you can confirm what was recorded. View Logs shows the history of changes and edits, which is great for resolving discrepancies. Delete removes incorrect entries when they're unlocked, but use it carefully to avoid losing valid data. If you need to make a correction on an unlocked entry, click the 3-dot menu next to the employee and select Edit. This is where you can adjust time in and out, align the entry with the correct customer, location, or task, and add clear notes so approvals and payroll are straightforward. Use this view regularly to track attendance, verify hours, and ensure your payroll remains accurate and compliant. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.